So good morning. Thanks for clicking on the video. So it's day one of the storm and we survived. Yeah, the power stayed on all night. House was nice and toasty, so no problems there. Although I'm gonna go walk outside, kind of see what it looks like. Looks like there's some snow and probably ice. Looks like the freezing rain is still coming down, but we'll go out and see. Make sure that everything is still good outside. So let's go. All right. We're going outside. Definitely gonna watch my step. I did put a tarp right on my windshield. Kind of protect it. Yeah, it's freezing rain coming down. You can see. That easy? Yeah, it feels slippery. I don't know if you could see it, but that's ice. That's ice on the car. Oh, I need to make sure that's closed up. But I'm gonna go get my keys because if I push that shut, it's gonna start beeping. Okay, I got my keys. I don't know if you could see that freezing rain coming down. But it is coming down. Alright, try this. I'm unlocking it. Yeah, that ain't. That is not moving. There we go, it's shut. Might be shut for a while. Hang on to the truck as I walk around it. Whew. I don't know, maybe you could see the snow coming down or the freezing ice coming down. So I'm located just a little north of Fort Worth, downtown, about 30 minutes. From downtown, so right in the Fort Worth area. So that's kind of what it looks like here in Fort Worth. Very little people have gotten out. You don't see no tracks. Out of the house. Yeah, that's you could feel it's about 19 degrees right now, but you can feel the breeze. Look at that, you can kind of see our aircon. Never good when that freezes up. Woo. That wind is starting to blow as well. So 19 degrees, Fort Worth, Texas. Kind of what it looks like in the hood. I don't know, maybe you could see that. That's ice rain coming down.